Dr. Holtom in particular seems to be in a special place today.
Wow, that's saying a lot.
The countywide numbers continue to decline.
When defending your policy, you start off by saying that you are ultimately, in fact, aligned with the state.
I think we're pretty aligned already during that 10-day incubation period. Should go ahead and wear a mask. I think we're fairly aligned, and I think CDC says this as well.
This aligns with the guidance from CDC and the guidance from the state. It's just here in LA County, it is a requirement.
You decided to still not align with the state on masking for close contacts. I mean, I wish that was also a strong recommendation instead of requirement. I've been getting a lot of calls from our schools. And is there any thought to align with the state on this?
You know, the issue of alignment in this case is we are actually aligned with the intent of both CDC and the state.
The state has a strong recommendation and you have a requirement.
When I say closely aligned, I mean we're closely aligned with the science, which is really what I was talking about. And yes, we are not aligned on that. We think it's so important that people really need to understand it as a requirement.
So if you have a mandate and you're not going to enforce it, what use is the mandate?
Well, I think it's, when we talk about masking, we've never given a ticket to people who don't wear a mask. We've never really threatened people.
Another type of violation, which is still a health officer order, would be things like no masks. And basically that means if we come back and there's violations, we may progress to the next step, which is to suspend your public health permit.
Did people do all that stuff because they were scared of you?
We are not running around with an enforcement tool here.
Right.
And we don't intend to. We have never
Right.
run around with an enforcement tool around masking.
Around masking.
Do you have hard data that show that the 10-day close contact mask policy is preventing spread?
I mean, this is something you can't really see.
But no hard data.
I mean, this is something you can't really see.
Man, that was like a ba-dum bump. El Bamo.